You'll never get a second chance to celebrate this milestone birthday, and we want to make sure it's absolutely unforgettable. We've planned thousands of events over the last 10 years, and we've gotten really good at what we do. Through years of firsthand experience learning from trial and error to working with other event professionals and learning from them, our team's gotten a pretty good pulse on what works in the event space and what does not work. And we've been able to take all these things that we've learned and distill it into one easy to follow step-by-step formula that we use to execute phenomenal, unforgettable events. We've decided to give our exact event formula that we use away for free to anybody that wants it. Now we're doing this for a few reasons. One, we want to make sure that budget is not something that's interfering with your ability to have the perfect event that you've always dreamed of. And two, a lot of our clients are event planning professionals themselves. And so it doesn't make a lot of sense to hire us to do their job for them. Now we know our team has a lot of value to offer in the event space when it comes to planning an unforgettable event. And in full transparency, we know that the more valuable that we can become to you and the more we can help you to execute this incredible vision that you have, the more likely you are to work with us and to send your friends our way, which is really good for our business. When you get your hands on our Badass Birthday Playbook, you're going to learn the exact formula that you need to follow step by step to make sure your birthday party turns out as incredible as your birthday person. We're also going to teach you how to significantly streamline your planning process and avoid some of the disastrous pitfalls we've seen people make in their events over our past 10 years of doing this. And trust me, you're not going to want to make these mistakes. We're also going to guide you through our proven process for creating unique and unforgettable ambiances and themes for the birthday party. And then we're going to give you a tool that we call our task delegation checklist that you can use to get other people on board so you don't have to do everything yourself. Plus, we're going to share some really cool party hacks that you've probably never seen before to help you celebrate your birthday person on their special day. If you want to get your hands on the Badass Birthday Playbook, all that you have to do is scroll down and click the button that says get your copy, and you'll get immediate access to the playbook. My team and I have it pretty good here at Balloon Artisan. Our full-time jobs are just to celebrate with people and to celebrate the things that make life worth living. And we are so excited to work with you on this birthday party and make sure that you have all the tools that you need to have the event that you've always dreamed of. So once again, go ahead and click on the button below to get immediate access to the Badass Birthday Party Playbook, and let's get the planning started.